Hello children, welcome to VIN school. So today we shall learn a new chapter, a chat with a grasshopper. Open page number 75 in your textbook. So listen to the video and follow it. So it's a lesson, a chat with a grasshopper. One day, students of class 6 visited a park with their class teacher. All of them enjoyed and played well in the park. While they were playing and enjoying, Roshan, Tina, Rani and Annie saw a green insect flying around and sitting on the stem of a tree. They were surprised to see it. They slowly went near the insect. So one day what happened, children? Okay. So here the school students, so they went to park, so to visit park, and this lesson is an imaginary conversation, children, okay, between the student as well as the grasshopper. So the conversation which helps the students to know more about the grasshopper. Okay, so the students of the class 6, what happened, they visit a park with their class teacher. While they were playing, then having fun at park, Roshan, Tina, Rani and Annie, what did they do? They saw a green insect on the stem of a tree and slowly they approached the insect to introduce themselves. So now they had an imaginary conversation with the insect. Can insect speak, children? No, right? That is why they had an imaginary conversation with the insect. Raju. Wow, what a beautiful insect. Ramya, may I know your name, please? Hoppy. I am a summertime singer. I have several legs and eyes. I am farmer's friend. Can you guess who I am? Raju. You are Midate. Hoppy. Yes, I am a grasshopper. Rani. Where do you live? Where can we find you? Hoppy. I live in different places. You can find me everywhere. You will find 11,000 to 18,000 varieties of grasshoppers in this world. Raju. Okay, my dear, tell me how you fly. Hoppy. I have 2 sets of wings for flying. Do you have wings, children? Annie. No, we don't have wings. We want to fly like you. Hoppy. Okay, I will teach you how to fly. So now, children, what happened? So Ramya requests the insects to introduce itself. The insect replies that its name is Hoppy and it is a summer singer and it has several legs and eyes, and it thinks that okay, so it is a farmer's friend, and also asks the student to guess what it is. And Raju also answers as Midte. Then the Hoppy says, yes, I am a grasshopper. So then what happened? The Rani asks Hoppy, where can they find it? Then it tells them that it lives in a different place and almost everywhere. That is that there are 11,000 to 18,000 varieties of grasshoppers in the world. And then Raju says, now how the Raju asks to teach the grasshopper how to fly. Then the Hoppy says that I have 2 sets of wings and for flying. And do you have wings? It asks to children. But Annie says, no, we don't have, but we want to fly. But the Hoppy says, okay, definitely I'll teach you. All the friends are happy and dream of flying with the grasshopper. Ramya, we have 2 legs to walk, jump and run around. How many legs do you have? Hoppy, I have 3 pairs of strong legs. I can jump and walk like you. Rani, Hoppy, how do you escape from enemies? Hoppy, Oh, they can't catch me so easily. I have 5 eyes and pair of antennae. The antenna helps me to sense danger and I swiftly escape. Ramya, now you are not trying to escape from us, are you? Hoppy, I am your friend, right? I trust you. I am not scared. The children and Hoppy start playing. Raju, observing the body. Hoppy, we have 2 ears. Do you also have ears? So now what happened? All the friends got very happy and started to dream of flying with the grasshopper. Then Ramya tells the grasshopper that human beings have 2 legs to walk, jump and run. And also Ramya asks Hoppy that how many legs it has. Then the Hoppy says that it has 3 pairs of strong legs and it can walk and jump like them. And now Rani got so curious to know that how Hoppy escaped from its enemy. Now Hoppy proudly tells them that nobody can catch it easily because it has 5 eyes and the powerful antenna. And this antenna helps helps to Hoppy to sense what is that, the danger, and it will swiftly escape from the enemies. And now Ramya asks that are you not trying to escape from us? Are you? Then the Hoppy says no, I am your friend, right? So I am going to trust you. I am not scared of you and I am not going to escape. Then Raju had the doubt. So Raju asked Hoppy that how many ears he has. Hoppy, I don't have ears like you, but the antenna helps me to pick up vibration from the air and the ground. Ramya, Hoppy, I am very hungry. Rani, Raju, Annie and I are going out for lunch. Would you like to join us for lunch? Hoppy says, no, I won't eat idlis, dosa, rice or chapati like you. I eat plants, wheat, oat, corn and barley. Rani, it's getting late. Ma'am will scold us. We need to go. Nice to meet you, Hoppy. Bye. Hoppy, nice to meet you too. Bye. Take care. See you soon. So what happens? Then the Raju asks Hoppy how many ears he has. The Hoppy says that he has no ears, but his antenna helps him to pick up vibration from the air and the ground and sense the danger. The Ramya got so hungry and she invites Hoppy to join them for lunch, but Hoppy says that he doesn't eat idlis, dosa, rice or chapati, but it can eat only plant, wheat, oat, barley. So that is next what happened. It was time. It was getting late. So to go home for the children. So then they say goodbye to Hoppy and they leave the park hoping to meet him very soon. Isn't it a beautiful story, children? So now you got to know about the grasshopper, isn't it? Yes, practice reading the lesson and also practice the difficult words.